Dear students, once again welcome back for the continuation of chapter 7 in chemistry, that is study of gas law. Today I would like to explain you Boyle's law. Let's recapitulate what we have done in previous class. Gas laws, the laws which describe the behavior of the gases under known condition of temperature, pressure and volume are known as gas laws. Here the physical behavior of the gases can be described in terms of three variants like volume, temperature and pressure. For a given quantity of a gas, a change in any one or more variables result in a change in remaining variables. Let's move on to the Boyle's law. For this you can refer to page number 117 and 118 in your textbook. Here Boyle's law states that when the temperature remains constant, the volume of the given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. As you can see here, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure if the temperature remains constant. It means that when pressure increases, the volume of the gas decreases. When pressure decreases, the volume of the gas increases. When the pressure is double, the volume of the gas is half. When the pressure is half, the volume of the gas will be double. Now let's see the mathematical expression of Boyle's law. Here V is the volume, P is the pressure. According to Boyle's law, V, the volume of the given mass of dry gas, is inversely proportional to its pressure. Here this one is proportionality sign. B equals to 1 by P into K. On cross multiplying, here PV equals to K. K is constant. Here, if the given mass of a gas occupies volume V1, pressure at P1 and volume V2 at pressure P2 at constant temperature, then according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equals to P2, V2 equals to K. This is the mathematical expression of Boyle's law. The next explanation of Boyle's law. According to the Boyle's law, the volume of the given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to its pressure when temperature remains constant. The relationship between volume and pressure can be explained more conveniently by equation and numbers. His experiment gave the following information for the sample of a gas. See, experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4. Pressure of gas P in atmosphere. Volume of gas V in liters. Then inverse of volume, that is 1 by V. Here at 1 atmosphere, the volume of the gas occupies 4 liters. Here when at 2 atmosphere, the volume of the gas is 2 liters. At 4 atmosphere, the volume of the gas is 1 liter. Here, at pressure, 8 atmosphere pressure, the volume of the gas is half liters. And inverse volume, you can see here inverse volume. When 1 is divided by 4, you will get value 0.25. Here, when 2 is divided by 4, you will get 0.5. And 4 is divided by 4, this is 1. Now 8 is divided by 4, then you will get 2 liters. This is inverse volume. Now when you multiply this pressure and the volume, 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 8 into half, 4. Here you get same result, that is 4 liters atmosphere. From this experiment we concluded that the product of volume of pressure and volume remains constant when the temperature remains constant. Now next we'll have graphical representation of Boyle's law.